Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Hikers Extreme. I'm Adam here, the Australian Adam. Today, I'm fine. My Australian calves can handle it.
By the way, I just want you to know, no one can hear what you're saying.
What's the point of me doing this fake accent then? One of the most poisonous in the world.
It's not.
This is a rock here. Very gentle. Very dangerous for tripping. 3, 1, 3. Well, only comes in species. It's brown and green. Because it's oxygen. Because of carbon dioxide. Well, actually, no, it's not true. We do have carbon dioxide. It sucks. The tree sucks it in. Then a tree.
You don't know what you're talking about.
We're very careful on these rocks. They're very dangerous. The hole. One does. One type of the species. The only type of the worm. The only type of the species.
Look at this!
The wild chipmunk.
No, I missed the shot.
This is a jumpy tree, the only kind of its species. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Make sure it's 1 foot on at a time to make a safe jumping experience. Okay? Next foot. Then you wanna jump. And jump as fast as you can. Okay? As you can see here, we have orange fungus. It's one of the only types of its species. Severely poisonous if you touch it. If you poison it, you become an orange. A rebel species. Rebel species.